Hello, friends! Do you also want to design a simple ebook, that too while staying in your comfort zone, and turn your free time into something valuable? Then this video is just for you. If you're interested, let's begin. So first, head over to ChatGPT. And here, we're going to create a story. I'm giving ChatGPT a simple command. Create a short story for kids that's fun and also has some educational value. And just like that, ChatGPT has given me a bunch of story ideas. Now from here, pick the one you like the most, copy it, and paste it into any online notepad. There are plenty of free ones available. Just use whichever one you prefer. Once that's done, we move on to the designing part. For this, I'm using Canva because honestly, it's super easy. After logging into Canva, click on Custom Size. Set the width to 8 inches and the height to 8 inches. Once you've entered that, click on Create a Design. Then, choose the Storybook Layout option. You'll now see a blank canvas in front of you. And that's it. You're ready to start designing your ebook. If you want to use these pre-templates, you can do that too. Just select any template you like and start designing with it. But here, I will show you how to design using a blank template. First, go to Elements and choose a nice background from there. Then, apply it to your page. Next, go to Text, copy the first line of your story and paste it on the page. Now, change the font type and apply the Comic Sans font. Adjust the text and place it properly. After that, add scene animations according to your story. For example, I will use some flowers here. Then, go to Elements again and search for the main character, Benny. Search Little B and choose the B. If the image has a background, remove it by clicking on the Remove Background option. Then place the bee on the page. In our story, we need 2 bees, Queen Bee and Benny Bee. After designing the page, click on Add Page or right-click and select Duplicate Page. Once the page is duplicated, go to the section where you pasted your story earlier. Copy the next line of the story and paste it on page 2. Do some more editing and use a few animations to make your book more interesting to read. Then, slightly animate Benny B. To animate, click on the Star Animate option. Then click on Create Animation and set its movement as per your liking. Finally, click on Star Done. After that, in the same way, design the pages here, page 3, 4, 5, and so on. Just copy the next line of content, paste it into the next page, then start designing. Once all the pages are designed, click on the Share icon at the top. Then select the See All option, scroll down to the bottom, and choose the Simple Booklet Flip Design app. It will redirect you to the official Simple Booklet website. Now click on the Export Your Design option, select all the pages, and then click Save. It might take a little time to prepare your design. Once done, click on the View Booklet option. It will ask for your book's title. Enter your book's name here. Next, click on Convert, and then on View Preview. And now, you can see your outstanding ebook ready. So that's all you need to do. Now let's talk about where to sell this ebook. 1. Amazon KDP. 2. Gumroad. 3. Google Play. 4. And last but not least, PayHip. You can sell the same book on all 4 platforms. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to sell on these 4 platforms, just drop a comment.